Hello, my lovely viewers. How are you? I hope that you are doing fine. My name is Dilip Divedi, and I'm here again with another grammar lesson. And today, I will be teaching you the use of still, anymore, any longer, and no longer. Right? It's going to be really an interesting session. And guys, if this is the very first time you're visiting to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. And if you're watching me on Facebook or Instagram, follow for more. Let's get started. Still. So we use still to say a situation or action is continuing. It hasn't changed or it hasn't stopped. And guys, still is usually used in the middle of the sentence. For example, it's 10 a.m. and Sanskar is still in bed. By the way, Sanskar is my son, right? He's my son. So let's say if I say that it's 10 a.m., it's 10 o'clock, and Sanskar is still in bed. Or last night when I went to bed, Jane was still working. Or despite many warnings, he's still making the same mistake, right? So still is used to talk about a situation or an action that is still continuing, right? Let's go and discuss any more and any longer. So we say not anymore. We say not anymore or not any longer to say that situation has changed. Situation has changed, and they go at the end of the sentence, right? So when we spoke about still, we said that we use still to talk about an action which is still continuing, right? Something that has not changed. However, we use any more or any longer to say that the situation has changed. And as I said, that it goes at the end of the sentence. For example, Jane doesn't work here anymore. Jane doesn't work here anymore. She left the job last month. Or I can also say Jane doesn't work here any longer. She left the job last month, right? Now guys, I can also use no longer here. But when you use no longer, you don't use not. So you say that Jane doesn't work here. Jane does not work here any longer. But if you want to use no longer, you would say Jane no longer works here. Jane no longer works here, and no longer goes in the middle of the sentence. Anymore or any longer, they go at the end of the sentence. Here are some other examples for you, right? For example, we used to be good friends. But we are not anymore. Or we used to be good friends, but we are not any longer. Now, let's use no longer here, and we'll say we are no longer good friends. You got it, guys, right? And as I said, that if you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye for now.